In this tutorial I will show you how to match clothes colors in Photoshop. Let's get started. Pick Quick Selection tool. Select areas you want to change the color. From the Layers panel, click on Adjustment icon and choose Gradient Map. Make sure the Gradient Map layer selected, not the mask layer. Now click on Color Gradients. Double-click on this color slider and pick Color from darkest area of image. Hit OK. Now click here to make a new slider. Make sure it's exactly on the middle. Double-click and pick middle color of the image. Lastly, pick brightest area of the image. And set brightness to 100%. Click on OK. Press Ctrl G to make a group. And drag mask layer onto group layer. Make a levels layer. Drag middle slider to the right a bit. And change levels mode from normal to luminosity. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.